Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. It's Tuesday, January 6th. We had a day with mixed prices. Corn to the downside by a penny, soybeans a leader to the upside with an 11-cent advance, and wheat up 3 cents. Cody, what do you make of today's trade action?
Well, first of all, soybeans able to continue on to the upside, so that's very positive here. But the question is, can you continue and break out into new highs? I would suspect that we won't. I'd suspect that we'll probably see some resistance up to the high side of that range that we've been trading in since late October. Now, one of the reasons why we were able to trade higher here for soybeans is we did get a nice export sale out this morning. That follows a 233,000 metric ton sale yesterday. Got 123,000 metric tons sold today here to China for old crops. So that was very positive. The other concern here is when you look at South America, there's a little bit of dryness in that northeastern part of Brazil, in that growing region there. There seems to be dryness in the 15-day outlook. So that could have some negative implications here for yield in that growing region. Also, down in Argentina, there is some growing concerns here in the central Cordoba region. That area is experiencing some dryness. It looks as though for the next couple weeks they will be experiencing dryness before some weather events move in and provide a little bit of moisture. So I think there is some concerns down in South America, though they are not widespread. It does provide a little bit of buying interest here for soybeans and corn. Right,
and certainly the market is starting to gear up for next Monday's World Ag Supply and Demand Estimate report. This morning, Informa released their expectations of what they thought the market or what the final yield and production numbers were going to be. And quite frankly, there wasn't much to report on here. They revised their yield and production number to basically be in line with what WASDE or USDA was as of December. So both corn and soybean production were just fractionally different from what USDA had in December. So this was a no game changer right here. But what will be interesting to see is what the overall trade looks for, which we will get pre-analyst expectations coming in the next few days. We'll be reporting on that here on GrainTV.
Absolutely. So your overall take here is the Informa numbers came out. It doesn't make you any more bullish, any more bearish here going into this.
And I think it'll be interesting to see. I would expect probably analyst estimates to also be on par with USDA. I just don't think anyone's got a really firm bias one way or the other that USDA's missed the mark so far this year.
Absolutely. And guys, for those of you out there that have not taken a demo of the Grain Hedge trading platform, go ahead and do that. Go visit grainhedge.com. Go up into the top right-hand corner. There's a 14-day free trial. It's going to be interesting here to watch the market react live to this report. There's going to be 3 reports out, so it could be very volatile here. We have the quarterly grain stocks, the crop production, as well as the world agricultural supply and demand estimates. And that, of course, will wrap up, give us a real firm understanding of where we were in terms of production and yield in last year's crop. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We will see you here on Wednesday for the ethanol sale or the ethanol production report.